Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So we are still on the very same question paper. We want us to attempt question 4. So question 2, question 3, question 5, they are already posted right here on our YouTube channel. So this is the previous question paper of engineering drawing entry that was written 2022 November on the 24 November. So this one we've done it, it's already there in our YouTube channel, sectional drawing. So question 3, assembled drawing, we just posted it there by our YouTube channel. So we want to look at question 4. Question 5, we've done it already long time, it's posted there on our YouTube channel. So we want us to attempt question 4. Let's do it faster. So figure 4 is figure 4 shows the two primary views of an overhead swing pulley assembled. It has been assembled for us, you understand? It has been assembled for us. Where now you have to disassemble. Draw to a scale 1:1 a detailed drawing of the following items in first angle orthographic projection. So in first angle orthographic projection, these two items in first angle orthographic projection. So 4.1. You are expected to draw the bracket, which is item 1, the hanger bracket item 1, showing the following views: a full sectional front view of item 1 and a full sectional top view of item 1. I mean the left view. So item 1, you have to draw the front full sectional. Item 1, the very same item 1, you have to draw the left view fully sectioned. Okay, so the trick is here. What is the trick here in detailed drawing? Is to come and take out item 1, trace the item 1. Let me emphasize that, because I've seen a student drawing, wasting time drawing what they've been not asked you to draw. So the trick here is to come and trace item 1. So this is item 1. This is the front view of item 1. This is the left view of item 1. Why? Because of these are given in what? In first angle orthographic projection. This is the first angle orthographic projection. Guys, tomorrow you'll be writing about this. Tomorrow this topic, it will be there in your final examination. So let's trace item 1. This is item 1. There it goes, item 1, there it goes. This is not the moment you come down here, you are now talking about item 6. This is not item 1, it's item 6. So item 1, there it goes. This one is not item 1, but it's item 5. You understand? There it goes. You understand? There it goes. Item 1. Item 1 only. A1. So they said a full sectional front view of item 1. So let's start using what? A scale of 1:1. So I'll start with the horizontal faint line here. That will be just like this. And these lines are faint, right? These lines are faint. So now using a scale of 1:1, I am drawing what? Item 1, using a scale 1:1, what? A full sectional front view and a full sectional left view. Okay, so it's simple, straightforward. So the dimension from here till here is how much? The dimension of item 1. Let me check it, look it nicely. From here till here, they told you, do you see? They told you it is how much? It's 106. From here till here is 106 millimeter. So take your 30 millimeter ruler. Where is my 30 millimeter ruler? Okay. Oh, yeah. Got it. So from this point, coming this side, I can record the 106 millimeter. There is 100, 105, 106. Is that one? You understand? So let me get to the center. 106 divided by 2. How much are you getting at there? You are getting 53. Where is your 53? So 53 is right there. It's the center. So I can even draw it dark. Can draw it dark already. Isn't it? Then after that, now remember that it was given a half sectional with the left hand in section. This is given a half sectional with the left hand in section. But the question now said to draw it a full section. Okay. Now from here till there is how much? 106 millimeter. Then from here going down is 10 millimeter. There is my 10 millimeter. I can even draw it dark. Then draw it faint. I don't know about the space here when I'm now drawing the left view. So I come and draw dark here as well. From here till there, dark, which is this one. From here till there. From there till there is this one. From there till there. You understand? Okay, so now let's see Uti from here till there is how much now, which is from here till there is how much. I'm looking for a dimension from here till there. Okay, from here till there is 14. How about from here till there? So we are going to work with centers. Do you see that the dimension that I'm looking for is this one from here till there, which is that one? But it seems to be not given, hence we are given, we know what this one from here till there is 14. How about from here till there is what? Is 48. Understand? So that is why we had to get the center. So after I've gotten the center, I can now draw it. Center line. So I'm going to say 48 divided by 2. You must always have your calculator. So it's 24. So where is my 24? This is my 24. So I mark it 48. This is 48. This is 14. This is 48. Because this is 49. This is 50. So the 48 is there, and then mark it is 0. You understand? Then just vertical faint lines. Then after that, now I know okay, I've gotten this one from there till there. How about from here till there? We are told what is 14 millimeter. It's 14 millimeter from here till here. Whereas from here till there is 48. Everyone. So I'm going to say 14 millimeter this side. This is 15. 14 is right there. And 14 again this other side. Right, here you go. Then after that, I can take this faint line going down as well, and this other one going down as well. Then I can have this one dark now from here till there, which is which one? Which is this one from here till right there. Here you want. Again, this other side, because from here till there, actually from here till till here, it will disappear. Remember that we are now exposing the full sectional front view of item 1. Guys, this is interesting. As long as you know what you are doing, as long as you know what you are doing. You see, now I seems to be confused as well. This one, please wait, I'm coming. Confusing me. There you go. That key. This one from here till here is the one that we said it is going to disappear, but from here till there it's going to remain, which is this one. There you go. This one, it will remain, which is this one, which is this one. From there till here, from here till here, it will remain, which is this one. From there till there. Okay. So now I'm gonna go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. So go down till where? Till where? So now let's come and see. We are told from here till here is 10 millimeter, which is what we've dealt with, and then from there till there is 8 millimeter. You understand? That is the height. Where your 10 ends begins your 8 millimeter. Simple, straightforward. You do it. There is your 8 millimeter, and that 80, what is it giving you? It's giving you the center. It's actually giving you the horizontal center. So there you go. Make it a little bit longer. Even this other side, remember you still have to get what? Your left view. Your left view. Still have to get your left view. Okay, so from there, what are we gonna do now? So that's the 80, and then from here till the distance of the height from here till is how much? From here till is how much? Is actually that one. What was the diameter of this one? Diameter of this one, come and trace it like this. Okay, it's diameter 40. You say how do I trace it? You say how do I trace it? This one correspond with this. So from here till here is diameter 40. From here till here is diameter 40. So if it's diameter 40, which means from here till here is 20, from here till here is 20. So that 20, you can do it from there at the other 20. You understand? At the other 20. But then to do it nicely, remember that the question said what? An item 1 as well as the what? The left view of it, a fully sectional left view of it. So now let me see my left view. Is it going to fit here? Because the left view supposed to be right hand side away from your front view. So your left view supposed to be right hand side away from your front view. You understand? So these two, the 4.1, it is the one that it's supposed to be drawn orthographically. So 4.2, it's not part and parcel of item. I mean of 4.1. Item 1 is not part and parcel of what? Of item 2. But the item 1, the front view of item 1 and the left view of item 1 supposed to be drawn orthographically. You understand? So when you are drawing it, you have to observe the law of orthographic projection. So now, which means the left view has to be right here. Let me see. The set is 60 from here till here 60. Where is my 60? So right here. So the 60 almost got out of the page. So the half of 60, which is 30. So the 60, this one I'll have it dark here. We know that the front view and the left view, they always share the same height. The front view and the left view, they will always share the same height. You know that this is the center. So you see that this drawing sheet I am using is too small. It's too small. So remember the law of orthographic projection. It says separate your views with 20 millimeters. So in this case, I'll get penalized. You understand? So I rather you lose these 2 marks or 1 mark and a half of breaking that law of separating my views, other than allowing my drawing to go out of the page. You understand? But then Mina, I'm practicing here with you, so tomorrow you plan your work very well, and even the drawing sheet that will be given tomorrow, it will be big enough. You understand? So Mina, I'm using a small drawing sheet, and I forced to accommodate to even draw this question 4, where I did a simple drawing of the very same previous question paper. You understand? So that is why I seem to be struggling with a space, but then nevertheless, let's continue. Then from there, what is it going to happen now? Now if I cut here, this one is going to go with an offcut, which means this supporter, it won't be there, because this supporter is part and parcel of what? Of item 1. These hidden details that you see them there, they are not part and parcel of what? Of item 1. Forget about them. Which is, they are actually talking about what? Item 6. Are we together? So Tina, the line that we are looking for, the hidden detail line that's going to change to dark, is this one and that other one. You understand? So even here on our front view, we still have to show that hidden detail. Here it was dark, here is hidden, so it's going to change to dark. And let me see, is diameter what? Is diameter 30? You see that they are telling you right there. From here till there is diameter 30. You see that it seems to be not dimensioned there by your front view, but if you take it a closer look there by your left view, it is given. So which means I can still go back to my to my front view and say half of 30, which is 15, and half of 30, which is 15. So I simply put it at what? At half of 15, which is 15, then and mark 30 and 0, and then here I'm going to have it dark, and here dark. Remember, it was given half sectional, then the question say a full sectional. You understand? So the very same 30, you are going to get it even on your left view. So I simply put my dimension at half of 30, which is 15, then I mark at 30 and mark at 0. You understand? So they set a full sectional left view, so even this other side, this one is going to be dark here. Even other here, it's gonna come to dark. Do you see that I am drawing them simultaneously? Your line is saying your lines are crossing. My lines are crossing. Where? My lines are crossing. Okay, I don't know. He's saying they are crossing where. So when I tomorrow don't they draw them crossing. You understand? So tomorrow you'll be writing about this. Don't draw them crossing. I don't understand. What is he trying to say? Okay, so now, I think he's talking about this one, crossing over. I think so. Just take your eraser. You must have this type of an eraser. It's very reliable. You understand? I think he's talking about that. Okay, so now what is going to happen? So this one, without fear or favor, is going to be dark as well, as far as I'm concerned. This one from here, take this one from here to there, supposed to be dark. There you go. Then take your drawing compass. Where is the drawing compass? drawing compass. Then this one, the set is diameter 40, so I'm going to is saying Saint Smith is saying, yes, you are now correct. All right, yeah, thank you very much, my brother, to remind me on that one. So the set is diameter 40. We want to draw this one, isn't it? So 40 divided by 2, you are getting, you must always have your calculator by your side so that you don't guess. You are getting 20, isn't it? So you take your drawing compass, you open it to 20 millimeter. There is my 20 millimeter, of which is what I got right from the from the calculator. So I'll draw it dark, just a little bit dark, but when I come this side I can draw it faint, this other side. You understand? At first you can draw them faint, you can draw it faint at first. Okay, so from there what is going to happen now? So now you take your 30 millimeter ruler, you join this point with the circumference of the cycle. So in mathematics, this type of line, they call it a tangent. So a line that touches the circumference of the cycle, not crossing, it will just touch, not passing nearby again, it will touch. So this upper side is supposed to be faint. It's a construction line. So now I can go back and draw it dark till here and till right here. You understand? Then from there, now I can take this point horizontally towards my left hand side, so that is going to give me something there by my front view. Even this other side, there you go, faint. So now I can have this one nicely, take them down. Okay, so now go back to your question. Okay, do you see that we have a supporter, which is that one? Okay, it's actually connecting from this point, which is that one, till where? Till at this one. You see that 14, if that 14 millimeter is this one, from here till here is 14 millimeter, and we are given another one. They said from here till there is 18 millimeter. Even this other side is going to be 18 millimeter. Let me just extend this one just a little bit. Comes like this. Okay, so the set is 18 millimeter. Where is my 18 millimeter? This is 18 millimeter. Then from here till 80, there is my 18 millimeter. There one, 18 millimeter. Then from there, even this other side, I can do the same thing. This is 0, this is 20, 19, 18 millimeter. Then have it dark. You understand? Then from there, going to project it up, then till here. Which one is this one? Is this one from there till right there? You understand? In this other side, you do the same thing, dark from here to right there. So once it gets here, it's gonna go to that point. You understand? From here to that point. So there you go. There you go. And like this you go. You understand? So now I can have these ones down till here. And double lines are not allowed. Double lines, they will penalize you. So tomorrow, do not do double lines like this. So which one is this one? Is this one? There it goes. You understand? So I have to get even that other one. You understand how? It should be just dark a little bit here. Even this other side, do it. Which one is this one? It's that one. That one. So this one, it will disappear, my brother. even you see this other side, they've disappeared it for you. It was given a half sectional with a what, with a left hand in section. So now, so I can extend this one without fear of favor till here, which is that one from there till there, from there till there. So I can extend them. Now I'm not extending them because of I'm favoring them, but they supposed to be like that. So there you go. So even this other side, there you go. Okay, so is it done? Not yet. So you see that we are having the diameter 18. The diameter 18, remember there is item 5. We forget about it. Item 7, forget about it. For item 8, you also take it out. So the moment you take out item, you unscrew item 7, which is your nut. So the bolt is going to be removed. So these bushes, you see they even set 2 of them. So the other one is that one that is inhibited. They will fall down so that your flywheel comes out again. So the moment your flywheel, which is your item 3, goes out, we are going to be left with what? With a hole there of diameter what? Diameter 18. So you take 8, take your calculator, divide by 2, you're getting 9, right? So that 9, you are going to do it right here. Or let me take this stencil ruler. So if you have this type of a ruler, you can look for diameter 9, this diameter 10, diameter 9, not diameter 9, diameter 18. Remember, diameter 18 is the radius. The radius of diameter 18 is 9. So now, since we want to draw it, so you are going to draw it just the way as it is. This is diameter 9. So, but it's going to be drawn there by your left view, like this. So there you we are going to see it clearly. You have to see it clearly, this hole. So that is why you have to draw it. This is diameter 9. Diameter 9. After you drew the diameter 9, so I can now take this point, faint, so that now from here till here it's dark. From here till here it's dark. Even this, the bottom one, which is this other one, they go faint. Then from here till they dark, from here till they dark. Are we together? Yes. So the question was like a full sectional front view on the item 1 and a full sectional left view on the item 1. So as far as I'm concerned, I am done. Where is my 45? Now I can take my 45 degrees and section. Remember, we always section using this type of a set square. A 45 degrees is up to you whether your hatches, they will be anti-clockwise or clockwise direction, as long as they are at an angle 45 and equally spaced. So I'll decide to make these ones of mine in a clockwise direction. So its jump is the hole. There you go. So this here, this here we do not section here. It's what? It's a support, and these supporters, they were cutted. The hacksaw was actually in the middle of them. You understand? So it's not going to be in sectioned. So there you go. So this other side, you see, is now coming. So there you go. There you go. Like this you go. There you go. There you go. It's a hole here, it's a gap. Remember, yeah, that's